Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to talk about a new sew-along I'm going to do, and it is the sew-along for my Harbor Row Quilt. We introduced our Raspberry Summer collection back in July of 2024, and I think on the day that I shared this quilt, I said I really want to do a sew-along with this one. And I am going to do tutorials for the blocks. You will need the pattern to sew along. I'm not going to give you block measurements or anything, but I'm going to show the actual block construction as we go through. So hopefully that'll be really helpful. The Raspberry Summer fabric is shipping this month, and this is the first Thursday in February. And we are going to just keep with the first Thursday for our sew along. It's going to take us 8 months to finish. We're going to do a row a month, and that gives you a whole month to make all the blocks for that row. So we have 7 different rows. We have our stars, we have our flowers and leaves, we have baskets, we have suns, we have tulips and leaves. So these are actually the same. And I'm not actually sure how I might do that. I might actually do this 1 month and both flowers 1 month. We'll see how that all works out together for the timing, because these are super simple and these are super simple and those are the same. We've also got the flying geese, which will probably be the row that we start with. Just because I'm not going to go from top to bottom, I'm going to go from easiest to hardest. And I am guessing that the houses are probably the next easiest row. I mean, tulips and the flowers are pretty easy too, but these are bigger pieces, so they'll be easier to work on if you're a beginner. So actually, yes, plan on flying geese for March and houses for April. So you can kind of start gathering your materials. This is a great scrap project too. I mentioned that a fat eighth bundle will make it, and that is with at least 34 different pieces in your fat eighth bundle. I know that fat quarter and fat eighth bundles can be all different sizes. I've had a lot of different questions. Could I make this with a layer cake? I think you're going to run out of fabric with a layer cake, but if you have a layer cake and you pick up some extra fat quarters, you'd probably be okay. You're going to use big pieces. You know, if you're going to go that way, if you're going to try to use your scraps or bigger pieces, you might want to look at the biggest pieces for the quilt are these 3 roofs, and then these centers for the suns. Everything else, when you look at it, is really made up with fairly small pieces. So, you know, if you really picked up just a few fat quarters, you could probably get by with a smaller pre-cut. But a fat eighth bundle with 34 pieces will ensure that you have everything you need. The only other fabrics are the background fabric, and you will need 2 1/4 yards of that. And that will also give you the fabric that you need for the inner border. And then for the outer border, you need 1 yard. Binding is a 1/2 yard. And backing is 3 1/2 yards. But I used the Raspberry Summer Dresden cheater print. So you will not need 3 1/2 yards if you are using this for your backing, because it is 60 inches wide. And so since our quilt is only 52 1/2 inches wide, it really saves on backing. So think about that. You might want to look for some of this fabric. What is this available? It's going to make a great backing for this quilt. So that's it. I'm going to be month by month. We're just going to be learning how to make the different blocks and talking about the colors and the placement, everything that I did with this. And I'm super excited for this sew along and hope that you'll want to join in. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.